Today we are going to discuss about elasticity. Whenever we study elasticity, we must know the plasticity. What is the difference between elasticity and plasticity? If you consider a rubber, we stretch the rubber then elongate it. When we remove the deforming forces on the rubber, that rubber it gains its original position, that is the elasticity. What about plasticity? We consider a plastic, we apply the force on plastic, it may be and remove the force, it cannot regain its original position, that is the plasticity. The main difference between elasticity and plasticity is it regains the original position when removed of deforming forces, that is the elasticity. There is change in dimension, that is shape, size, and or both shape and size, that is the plasticity. What is elasticity? Elasticity, the property by virtue of which material body regain their original dimension, that is shape, size, or both after removal of deforming forces. Whenever what is deformation? Deformation or deforming force and internal restoring force. This elasticity is due to the internal restoring force. There are basic definition of elasticity we already seen. Then what is deformation? The change in shape and size or both of the body due to external force is called a deformation. Deforming force, the force which is responsible for deformation. Deforming force, internal restoring force. When deforming force are applied to elastic body, internal opposes their forces as set up when tends to its restore the body the original shape. These forces are called restoring forces. Generally, internal restoring force and applied force are equal. Now, whenever we study the elasticity, we must know stress, strain, and Hooke's law. Stress is defined as applied force per unit cross-sectional area. Thus, the applied force stress equal to the applied force divided by area. That is elastic restoring force upon area. The SI unit of stress is Newton per meter square and CGS unit of is dyne per centimeter square. Dimension of stress are m raised to 1, L raised to minus 2, T raised to minus 2. Now the strain. Strain is the what is strain? Strain is defined as change in dimension per unit original dimension. Stress is dimensionless since it is the ratio of two similar quantity. Now, Hooke's law. Robert Hooke, born on 28th July 1635, died 3rd March 1703. Field Physics and Chemistry Institution, Oxford University, known for Hooke's law. What is Hooke's law? Hooke's law is stress is directly proportional to the strain. That is stress equal to some constant in strain. That constant is known as modulus of rigidity. Thus, strain is equal to m into strain. M is equal to stress upon strain. That is the ratio of stress to the strain is called as Hooke's law. Hooke's law. And then we know there are three types of modulus of rigidity. One young modulus of rigidity and sharing stress. Thank you very much.